STAGIL Issue Templates does everything you expect a template app to do. It lets you view and edit all your templates in a gallery, create templates for different issue types and subtasks, choose default values from system and custom fields, choose icons for a better overview, and create as many templates as you want. Oh, and most importantly, create issues from templates based on the context of the current issue. Let's be honest, Jira issues are usually connected to other Jira issues. Very few tickets are standalone, and most of them are connected to a broader task or have some kind of follow-up. One of our most common examples is that we get a customer support request. After investigating, we find out there actually is a bug in one of our products. So we need to create an issue for the bug. And if you take pride in your creation, you also want there to be a testing issue to make sure the bug is actually resolved. If you are a vanilla Jira user, you would create a new issue with the type bug, link it to your original service request, fill out all the mandatory fields, and afterward, create a testing issue, copy values from your bug issue, and after completion, notify your customer that the bug has been resolved. How about we automate this? The Create and Link button is where the magic happens. It lets you create connected issues right from your current issue and copy field values according to your configuration. Let's take a closer look at this template and how we build it. First, we need to create a template for bug reports. This will save time and improve the quality of our issue management process. Here, we can choose an icon and its color. The next step is to create the default values, default project, and the issue type this template is going to be created in. Then we choose the context. So in what project will this template work? And then we create the Create and Link button. Choose the project it should appear in and the issue type. Lastly, we choose the values that we want to be copied from the source issue. We click Create, and that's it. In the Service Management Request issue, you will see the button appear. Here is the new workflow. When the service test agents select the button, they will be taken to the Creation Issue dialog. Here, they can see the selected fields values copied into the new issue. Bug reports aren't the only place where automatic creation and linking of issues comes in handy. Onboarding is another example. At STAGIL, all the applicants are presented as single Jira issues. When one of them is successfully hired, we start the onboarding process in Jira. For that, we created an onboarding button in the application issues that creates a new onboarding issue with all the necessary tasks for a successful onboarding process as subtasks. Another extra is the use of variables. Variables are placeholders for field default values that are fetched from the system when the issue is created. Let me show you how we use variables to plan an event in the most simple way possible. First, we create 4 custom variables that are relevant for our event planners. Then, we create variables to create summary and description in an event planning epic. Finally, we create stories and subtasks for the different steps in the planning process. When you select this template, it asks you for start date, end date, location, and number of participants. Once selected, it creates the epic and all the defined stories and subtasks for you. There is also a set of contextual standard variables, such as today's date or current username, all of which can be found in our documentation. Some tasks need to be reoccurring or scheduled for a future date and time, like check the health of your hosting environment on a daily basis. We do this using the cron schedule. From now on, these issues will appear in your system daily in the morning and in the afternoon as just configured. When you create issues with Create a Link, you can pre-fill your issue fields from 3 different sources of data. If you use the Create and Link button, you have the option to copy field values from the original issue to the issue you're about to create. You can also pre-fill your template with values that you know you're going to need every time. And finally, you can use dynamic variables to create values based on date, time, and other contextual factors. The main difference between STAGIL issue templates and other template apps is that our templates are always there, only one click away. They show up in your epics, stories, tasks, bugs, and subtask personalized and dynamic. Ditch the clutter of separate template galleries. Download STAGIL issue templates from the Atlassian Marketplace. Our team is here to support you, so feel free to reach out anytime.